IIG Rental Enhancement supports loading rental, sales, and service items into rental contracts based on user-defined options by using a bundle or kit pricing or kit item. You need to set up the components on the kit specifications form. For the kit to load into the kit specifications form, it needs to be marked as a kit on the stock item screen and set to kit pricing on the stock items rental info tab. Addition of optional components is made possible once the kit has options checkbox is selected. Once it is checked, navigate to the option kit screen, select the kit item, define the optional component, and create a rental contract. On the sales order screen, click Add Rental Item. When you choose the rental kit, a pop-up opens, forcing the user to enter the optional component. When you click OK, the kit item is uploaded onto the rental lines with the predefined rental, service, and sales items. The price is set for the kit item only, as we have to set the rental kit settings to kit pricing on the stock item screen. Thank you for watching our video on kit pricing.